Hi, in this lecture we will talk about the roof and skylight. As you can see in this image, there is no false ceiling, and in this picture this slab is the roof of the building. Roof means the exposed slab to the sun. If you have a floor in the middle of the building, in the middle floors like in this project, in the ground floor and first floor, the upper slab of the floor is not exposed to the sun. So in this case, we don't consider this slab as roof for this floor. We consider it as ceiling partition. We will talk about it later. So again, roof is the exposed slab to the sun. In the restaurant, in the second floor, in the restaurant of this project, the slab is the roof and it's exposed to the sun, but you will see that we will not take it into our consideration. Why? Because we are going to use return ducted system. We will talk about it later in this section. Now we are calculating the load of the retail 01. So I will go to 3D view. I will disable selection the section box, and as you can see, part of the roof of this room or the upper slab of this room is exposed to the sun. I will go to the first HVAC ducts, and I'm going to find this small area, to enter this area and to define this area as a roof for retail 01. So how to find the area of this portion of slab? I will go to the architectural tab. I will choose a floor, and I'm going to choose pick lines to pick these lines as a boundaries of this portion. Now I will use trim, or type on your keyboard TR to trim these lines to make a close loop, and click on OK. As you can see, the area is 4.4 square meters, so keep this number in your mind. Now after taking the area, I will delete this portion of the slab. No need to keep it. 4.4, the area of this portion. Now I will go to hub, and first we need to define the exposure. Do you have the roof as a horizontal roof, or do you have it as inclined roof with a direction? Some buildings has inclined roofs like this, so you have to enter the direction of the roof. In our case, it's a horizontal slab, and the area, as you can see, hub filled the area automatically from the general tab, the floor area. But here we have different case. Part of the area of the roof is exposed to the sun, and its area is 4.4. We found it on Revit. After defining the area, we have the roof slope if you have inclined roof, and then we have the skylight quantity. What is the skylight? Skylight is same as the the windows. As you can see, this is the skylight. It's a window. In other words, it's a window in the sky. You can define it same as we defined the window. As you can see from here, skylight. As you can see, the same window that we use to define the window. Now I will choose the roof assembly from here. As you can see, the same way that we used to define the walls. Finding first you have to find the layer thickness and divide it by the K value to find the resistance. Then hub will calculate the overall heat transfer coefficient. For now, I will use the default roof to save the time. I will use the default roof assembly, and this is the U value, and click on OK. Okay, we have it already, so I will choose it from here, default roof assembly, and I will click on OK. So that's it for this lecture, for the roof and skylight lecture. In the next lecture, we are going to talk about the infiltration. Thank you very much, and see you in the next lecture.